Alright y'all, shout out to Megalook for sponsoring today's video. This unit is their new pre-everything 13x4 lace front wig. This unit was sent to me in 26 inches y'all. It is their high quality 13A grade hair, and this unit also comes in a high density. So this is the 3D dome breathable cap guys. It comes with 3 combs and an adjustable strap. Now I am a medium to average cap size head, and I can tell you guys right now that this unit fit perfect to the T. So as you guys can see, I'm going to do a very standard install with this unit right here. I'm going ahead and cutting the lace just to adjust this cap to fit perfectly. Again, you don't have to do anything with this one. The unit already comes with everything done, already tweezed, already bleached, already perfect, already cute. So all we're going to do is a nice standard install today, and I'm going to show you guys how to style this unit straight out of the box. Very glamorous, very holiday ready, very gorgeous, and very glam. So as you guys can see, the hair has a very nice luster straight out of the box guys. The hair is very soft and super silky. So all I'm going to do is to go ahead and do my styling on this one, add a little baby hair to it. Now you don't have to add baby hair to it, but I felt like for the style that I was going for, I wanted to add a little bit of pizzazz. And as you guys can see, this is a very easy unit to manage. Like, this is going to be the easiest glam style you have ever done. And when I tell you this is a perfect unit for a holiday party, for any event, New Year's, this style is absolutely stunning. To really showcase the simplicity of this unit, I'm just going to go ahead and ruffle this out and really kind of get a little bit of the curls loosened out. You can go ahead and use a wide tooth comb to do this, but the hair is very soft, so I'm going to use my fingers just to kind of comb the curls out. And look at guys, when I tell y'all easy, you can go ahead and flip it to the right, flip it to the left, play with the parting space. I didn't want to do like a definitive part. I wanted this unit to look more of like a natural flip over glam type of look, and I'm telling y'all I was able to achieve that one flawlessly. This unit is very pretty. Once you get the hairline settled, all you got to do is just play with the hair and you have a ready to go style guys. Again, very nice. Look at how nice and silky this hair is. I added zero product to this hair. This hair literally has its own luster, has its own shine, and again, ready to install.